Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to the very first video of Golden Realm message series. Let me first help you to understand what does this mean. Alright, so as you all know that the world today is chaotic, uncertain and the future seems almost dark. But I believe we can bring smaller changes in our attitudes and in our daily life, incorporating few positive steps to be able to sail through this uncertainty in our lives. Moreover, if we talk about how in India and all over the world, since ancient times, learned people used to prepare themselves for hard times as predicted through placements of stars and planets in the sky, by accepting few changes, controlling negative tendencies and meditating to choose the right course of action. So why can't we? At the moment, all the big planets, Uranus, Saturn, Mars, Pluto, Neptune are retrograding, and even Mercury in the next few days will be retrograding. What does this mean? Is just yet another topping on the issues in our lives here and there. For example, till mid-November 2020, Mars is retrograding in Aries, and this is massively going to affect our career and relationship aspects. You may find your partners, colleagues, bosses, families suddenly turning indifferent and cold towards you. You yourself wouldn't feel any passion as inertia will seep in. Your creativity, efficiency, ambition will be big time low, and you may feel anger and frustration leading to irrational decision making in all aspects of your life. So it's recommended during this time, please avoid legal procedures, investments, divorce proceedings, though you may be tempted towards these. Wisdom and intellect may take complete downturn during this time. Moreover, Uranus, which is retrograding, is again going to bring a lot of rebellious views and opinions within and outside of us. We'll immediately start finding what are we doing, why are we doing, where am I, etc., etc., which will add to that frustration being caused by Mars retrograding. So be careful. Well, that's all about the problems. Let's now focus on solutions and what actions can we take to avoid these negative consequences. Meditation or any chantings that you do, to be present, to be alert, to stay calm, to be able to take better decisions are the only solution. So in the Golden Realm message series videos, I am going to first give you a meditation technique and then share few energy correcting messages from the pure Golden Realm. Let's get ready, friends, for today's meditation technique. Alright, so for the next 7 days, 21 days, 49 days and then 91 days, breathe from your third eye, which is at the center of your eyebrows. Close your eyes and breathe from your third eye daily at least 5 to 10 minutes. Do this experiment and let me know what happens to you and around you. Mind it, I am giving you 4 milestones in terms of days: 7, 21, 49 and 91 days. It is one of the most trusted techniques to open gateway to spiritual knowledge, creativity, opening your deadlocks, connection with your soul and divine. So all the very best, dear ones. Now moving on to the Golden Realm message, and the first message is the child in reverse. So this is a shamanic message, and it doesn't actually means you be a kid or you start behaving with that naivety in your life. No, it means with that childlike innocence, a child whose one life, the wisdom of the past life is helping him or her to lead this life. So the whole idea is, in the practical life, is one phase of your life has ended, you have had your ups and downs, they have given you an experience, the maturity, and now when you're moving towards the next phase of your life, How will you handle that, though the coming uncertainties of your life, is with the wisdom that you have got up till now, leaving the past behind, and with that childlike innocence, not the naivety but childlike innocence, approach everything in your life with curiosity, with the willingness to learn, without telling yourself that I know this and I don't know this. Unlearn what you have learned up till now and learn again. Have that willingness to really know more of life, so that you can actually evolve. So that is a very wonderful message that we have received, which says start your journey by coming to that 0 point, that neutral point, and restart your journey, but not from zero, but from the spiritual angle. You already have those experiences and wisdom already there in your life. Use them to lead this wonderful life coming in front of you in the coming days. So that is the first message. The second golden rule message is the great crystal. So now the great crystal actually means or signifies the source of our inner power. So when you start your life once again in the new phase of your life, and you're ready with that childlike innocence, you need to really understand that how will you actually tap into that inner power. That inner power you will only be able to tap when you're connected to your source of inner power. So that divinity which is within you, the soul, the source, the universe. So how will you do that is coming from one phase, entering another phase with that childlike innocence and willingness to learn. Now the whole idea is explore more of your life, know more about yourself, without that arrogance of knowing and not knowing. Whatever you knew was the past. Rather than lingering on to that, I said unlearn to learn more, and with that curiosity take on. So that is when you will be able to actually see where your power lies. What is the source of your inherent power? And once you tap into that source of your power, you will be in a position to explore and expand your life, your mind, spirit, your energy, your psychology. You will be able to expand. You will become more wise and compassionate because you have understood yourself. And it is always said that once you encounter your truth, you are not worried about others' truth. You go on finding your truth. The people will be empowered seeing you getting empowered. So that's your second message. Coming on to the third message, which is magic. So what does this magic means here is, once I have found myself and I have that childlike innocence and curiosity and willingness and that learning capacity, the adaptability capacity, and I found my inner source, magic is bound to happen. Because I do expect magic on a daily basis, because I am exploring myself, and every day I am doing magic in my life, because what I didn't know about my life, I am able to explore that, and that is what is going to bring about magic. And that is why you should expect magic if you go by what the golden rule messages are telling you. Coming into the fourth message is, while you're discovering yourself, how to lead a completely fulfilled life through these three messages, and you're expecting magic in your life, also please check your intent. The fourth message is why. So it says check your intentions of doing and not doing something, saying and not saying something, feeling and not feeling something. So the whole idea is check onto your motives, your reasons and intentions behind anything that you do. Why are you behaving this way? Why did I say that? Why am I thinking this way? Is there any way out? So once you start asking this why from your own self, this will actually augment the third message, the second message, which says you will be able to explore more of you. So you are expecting magic, but simultaneously also look forward to keep a check over your intentions. And that is what is going to really help you move forward to the further expansion of your life. So these are your first 4 messages for the next week, and I would really want you people to follow these, re-listen to this video, watch this video again and again to come back to the meditation tip that I have given you, as well as the 4 golden rule messages. They have been combined together, and for the next 7 days or till the next video comes up, please make sure that you have an experience from your own life to share with others. All the very best, dear ones. Stay blessed, and do share this video with your loved ones. Take care. Bye-bye.